y'all, it's Tasha with Pine Knot Family Farms. Welcome back to our channel. In our first video, the introduction, we told you that our next project was going to be a fence around the garden. We've actually got that started now. We've been taking some video clips and we would like to take y'all along. It's probably going to be a two-part video, but we'd like to show you what we've got done so far, so we hope you enjoy.
So this is our existing gardening area that we've always utilized here. And as you see, we have a lot of in-ground area. This is the new raised beds that we've kind of been trying to establish for Tasha this year to put up some, again, different varieties and try some new things out. As you see here, all the posts that that are right here in this just one small location, this is going to be our greenhouse. So we've got about a 16 by 20 area here that we're going to enclose, and we'll have an entranceway into the garden. But you can see all the fencing we're putting up right now. We'll basically create a perimeter around this whole area so that we've got some other area inside here to work with. But hopefully in 2 or 3 days, this thing will be completely enclosed and deer proof. Actually have another entranceway at the other end that will come back in so that we can till the garden. And that's our mulch piles. As you see down there at the end, we've actually got a load of topsoil and then a load of compost. Yeah. Our compost is old cotton hulls, cotton gin trash we call it here. And it's about 2.5 years old, so it's really deteriorated. It really makes some good soil. You can see how black it looks whenever you mix it in with the dirt. But it really makes some loose soil that doesn't compact very bad. So the biggest thing is keeping the moisture in the dirt, you know, but it really creates a good environment to grow all different aspects of the garden. Alright everybody, we got the shed all put in for the greenhouse today. We got a lot of our posts, well all of our posts are set. We actually are ready to start putting up some wire. Tasha, we talked about it, and we're actually going to just put wire on the top 6 foot of the fence and actually put 10 on the bottom 2 foot. Well, in the winter time when we're not utilizing this for the garden, we're going to probably try to make a little poultry area out of it. We may raise some quail or pheasant or chickens or whatever, but we want to put the 10 around the bottom to keep the predators out, and again, it's really not going to shade the garden or anything because of the way we've got them kind of pushed back a little bit. This is the south side, so all of our sun comes in from over here anyway. Pretty extensive project. I mean, we've been putting this off for a couple of years, so finally getting to it here. Again, we'll try to catch up with you a little bit later. There's the sawmill you can see in the background. That's what we're using, all sawmill lumber for this. It's all reclaimed lumber that we get when we actually salvage those utility poles. Like I said, we just saw everything in the world out of it. You can actually see there's a slab that's still got the old skin on it. But all these 4x4s and the actual lumber that you see us using, that's all reclaimed utility poles, and saves us a lot of expense on our materials. Little sawmill's paid for itself several times over. We'll probably be doing some videos on that later, and if anybody's got questions, like I said, that's that's definitely a big asset on this farm. All right, we'll catch up with y'all later. Hey everybody, it's late Friday afternoon and we just got back in. Hadn't had a lot of chance to work on the fence project around the garden in the last couple of days.
Sorry, the boys are riding their side-by-sides and dirt bikes. I'll show you a video of that in a minute.
But hopefully next week we'll be able to get back on that and try to get it wrapped up next week. We're still trying to get our polycarbonate sheeting ordered for the greenhouse, and that's been a little more difficult to find what we want.
We've actually had to work the last couple of days, so the fence project got put on hold.
Had some weather here, and we've actually trying to get some projects wrapped up and completed, so had to go back to the real world for a day or two. All right, so we'll catch up with y'all next week and hope everybody is doing well and has a good weekend.
Please like and subscribe to follow our journey.